Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get the hidden USSD numbers on any Android smartphones. So without further delay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to open any web browser and you need to visit to this website. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and log into this website. And once you log into this website, you can see one application named as Sacred Codes. Now what you need to do here, just scroll down below, you can see here download APK. Just tap on it and download this APK. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you download and install it, and the good thing is that it's totally a free of cost application, so don't worry, you don't need to purchase or there is no any trial versions. So download and install it firstly. So after installing, what you need to do is just open or run the application. On running this application, it will scan and show you all the codes that is available on your Android smartphone. So you can see here, you can see all the codes here. So when you tap on it, it will just show you a message: your device is not compatible, directly code by using a dial. So let's try this code. So we'll try this code. How to check this code? Just open the dialer. Now here what you need to type, so let's check back the number. So you need to type this star hash. We'll check back the number. I'm going to type this one number, 2878. Now type again hash star hash star. Now we'll see some options like customization manager. Now you can see here 2878 is a customization manager, so definitely it's working. So in this way you can find out the hidden USSD numbers or the secret codes that is available in your respective Android smartphones very easily. So if you have never known about this cool applications, then you should definitely try it out today. I'm sure you'll be glad to know, and here's some useful codes which will let you know about your device details, about your battery performance, battery health, and lots of things regarding like the customization, performance, networks, lots of things if you want to search and find out those useful USSD hidden numbers on your respective Android smartphones. So definitely check this cool applications, and if you like this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.